Here's how to hide all of your photos and shared posts on Facebook from your friends and followers. You need to go to facebook.com or simply launch your Facebook application, log into your account, tap on the user icon in the top right corner of your screen, and then tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, go to Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, you need to go ahead and scroll down and go to the Audience and Visibility section. From this page, you need to tap on Post. Now tap on Limit Past Post. Then tap on Limit Past Post again, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. Remember that if you choose to limit your past post on your timeline that you've shared with your friends of friends, and public post will only be shared with friends. Anyone tagged in this post and their friends may also still see this post. If you want to change who can see the specific post, you can go to that post and choose a different audience. Then go to Who Can See Your Future Post and select according to your preference. Now, if you also want to hide the specific post from your friends, you can go ahead and choose the audience for that specific post. Tap on Edit Audience and then select Only Me, then tap on Done. And if you want to hide photos from your friends, followers, or anyone, go to your photos, select the photo that you want to make private, then tap on the three dots in the top right corner, then tap on Edit Audience. You'll get different options. From here, tap on Only Me and then Done, and your photo will be set private. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.